For the apple life cycle sort, you'll need some crayons, some glue, some scissors, the core board, and then you can highlight or cut this out for your students and highlight, and they would just snip right here and cut where the lines are. Or if your students can actually cut the box that it was in, you could have them do that as well. For writing their name, if your students are still tracing, you would do the visual up here that's highlighted. And for students that are copying, they would have this visual here and they would just copy each letter. And students who can write their name, you would just have them write their name at the top. So if you want, your students can color each of these pictures. You can talk about the seed, the blossom, the tree, and then the apple. So what they are going to be doing is matching up here. So you can use the core board by having crayons laid out and modeling, I want red. And your students can, then you ask your students, what color do you want? They could say, I want green. And then they would color a green apple or the tree green. Students that are nonverbal, you could have them crayons up here, and whatever color they choose, you can model saying, you want yellow, or you want green, once they choose the color. So once your students have these all colored and they are ready to match, you can use the core board by asking them which one is the same and different. So if you have the core board and your student puts on the seed and matches to the blossom, you can say, that's different. And then you could point out that the square and the circle, they don't match. If your student puts the tree with the tree, you can tell them that's the same. And then even say, good job. If your student needs help, they could just point here to the help icon. And then for putting on the glue, you can have the glue stick here and you could tell them, put on glue, and then they would glue it on the back and put it on right here. In the end, they are matching each picture to the correct one.